Biographies for Millie Pakapom and Apo Natavin, Kin Porsche the series. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Name: Pakpom is his full Thai name. Nickname: Millie serves as his public and stage name. This one-word moniker is widely used by fans, credits, media, and at events. Profession and agency: Millie is Thai actor, singer, model, and former DJ. He is managed by entertainment company Be On Cloud, which produced Kin Porsche. Before acting, he hosted as a DJ on 98 FM and appeared in music videos and fashion modeling. Today, he routinely models for fashion brands and acts in dramas and films. Date of birth: Millie was born on January 5, 1992. Zodiac sign: Millie's zodiac sign is Capricorn, known for being responsible, disciplined, and ambitious. These Capricorn traits shine through in his work ethic and the thoughtful way he has developed his acting career over the years. Birthplace: He was born in Kalasin, a province in northeastern Thailand. Education: He graduated in 2017 from university with a bachelor's degree in journalism and mass communication. His academic background contributed to his confident on-screen presence and media-savvy image. Before university, he attended schools in Kalasin and Bangkok. Rise to fame: Millie began appearing in music videos and served as a DJ. His early acting roles included Melodies of Life and Hamin Rakapon. He gained international fame after starring as a kin in Kin Porsche, the series, becoming one half of the iconic Millie Apo BL pairing. Music career: He released singles like Just Enough, Dream, and In My Dream under Luster Entertainment. Cars: There is no verified public information on Millie's personal car collection or automotive endorsing engagements. Net worth and income source: Estimated net worth around 700K US dollars. Income sources including acting, modeling for high fashion brands, music releases, endorsements, and hosting DJ events. Famous chemistry: Millie's chemistry with Apo and Kin Porsche created the celebrated Millie Apo pairing. Their stylish visual storytelling and romantic connection propelled both to global fandom status, influencing fashion campaigns and fan culture internationally. Final note: Millie blends academic grounding, performance artistry, and international fashion influence from classic native to global icon. His evolution into a thoughtful, multi-dimensional public figure epitomizes modern Thai entertainment success. Next, Aponatawin, Kin Porsche the series. Name: Natavin is his full name. Nickname: Apo, serves as his single word stay name and is instantly recognized in Thai entertainment and BL fandom. Profession and agency: Apo is a Thai actor and model who began his career under Channel 3, then joined Beyond Cloud Agency in 2022. Initially starring in traditional locons, he transitioned to BL with Kin Porsche, gaining prominence in both mainstream TV and digital drama scenes. Date of birth: Apo was born on February 25, 1994. Zodiac sign. Apple's zodiac sign is Pisces, a water sign symbolizing sensitivity and creativity. These qualities are deeply reflected in his expressive acting and emotional roles. Birthplace. He was born in Hua Hin, a resort town in Thailand. Hua Hin is known for its beaches, art scene, and relaxed lifestyle. Education. Apo attended university briefly before transferring to Rangsit University, where he earned his degree in communication arts. His media education supports his strong on screen presence and adaptability in acting and endorsements. Rise to fame. He debuted in 2015 in Lacones. After a brief hiatus in 2019, his career resumed with the BL breakthrough Kin Porsche. His elevated profile continued with the box office film Man Swang, which achieved significant local success. Music career. Apo has performed OST tracks for Pratyap Track. While not a mainstream singer, these contributions reveal artistic empathy and early versatility in entertainment. Cars. There is no publicly verified information about Apo's personal car ownership or auto sponsorships. Net worth and income source. Apo's income is derived from acting in successful dramas and films, high profile brand partnerships, tourism campaigns, product ambassadorship, and media appearances. His media value from luxury collaborations was estimated at US dollar 48.2 million by early 2025. Famous chemistry. Apple's pairing with Millie in Kin Porsche created one of the most influential BL partnerships, known as Millie Apple. Their synergy gained global fandom attention and established them as both entertainment figures and fashion influencers. Final note. Apple is polished and globally resonant entertainer with roots in traditional Thai lacons and a modern influence in luxury fashion branding. His journey reflects authenticity, emotional performance, and transitional visibility as a BL icon in 2025. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.